Hello foodies, looking at this, do I have to say anything? No, right? You know what exactly I'm going to make today. But if this is your first time looking at all these ingredients together, I'm going to make dabeli, which is a very famous Indian street food, especially from Gujarat, India. And this is our family's favorite, and I'm sure it is yours as well. So let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so here we need some kind of preparation. I'm going to make a red chutney to spread on the bread. So this has garlic, roasted peanuts, red chili powder, salt, and I'm going to grind it with some lemon juice, some chopped coriander, some chopped onion. I've added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and few tablespoons of water just to get this paste ready. Alright, so this is the peanut garlic chutney ready, and this is tamarind and dates chutney. I have a store-bought bottle, but you can definitely make it at home. Alright, so now that our peanut garlic chutney is ready, let's move on to the next step. In here, one tip that if you don't want garlic, you can simply make it with other ingredients like peanut, red chili powder, lemon juice, salt. Step number 2, I have 2 boiled potatoes. I have mashed them, and this is the store-bought Dabeli masala, but you can definitely mix garam masala powder and red chili powder, and that's it. Or you can use pav bhaji masala, however as per your taste. And I have some oil, so let's get the stuffing ready with all these ingredients. Alright, so add 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add some onion, and about 3 tablespoons of dabeli masala. Here you go, mix this well. Add 2 tablespoons of tamarind chutney. Mix this well. Let's add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water so that the spices won't burn. Let it cook for a minute, and we are going to add mashed potatoes. Here we go. Let's mix it. Alright, so I've added 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, salt to taste, and some sugar. Mix this well, and our stuffing is ready. So our potato stuffing is ready. I have this in a plate. So now the fun part starts. So let's decorate this. Alright, so I have masala peanuts here, but if you don't have, just get roasted peanuts and add some oil, red chili powder, chaat masala, and some salt, and your masala peanuts will be ready. I have this as store-bought one, so let's move on to the next step. So I have this potato stuffing. Let's garnish it with some onion. Let's make it beautiful. Some cilantro or coriander, some pomegranate. Look at this beautiful color. some nylon save or thin save. Beautiful. And just for that extra color, I'm going to add grated dry coconut. If you don't have it, it's totally fine. Just for that extra color. And some peanuts. Beautiful. So let it cool a little for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's move on to the next step, which is bread. This is a Mumbai pav or pav bhaji bread. So I have cut it from here and here, just 2 slits, and it opens up just like that, just a little. And I'm going to add chutneys and the stuffing inside here. So let's do that. Alright, so let's open this up a little bit. Add the garlic and peanut chutney on one side and tamarind chutney on the other side, just like so. It will be really tasty and chatpata. If you want, you can also add green chutney, but I think I like this combo better. And add the stuffing, about 1.5 tablespoons. So now press it, and I'm going to keep it aside and make all the breads stuffed, and then we will put it on a skillet with some butter on and toast it. So keep it aside. Alright, so as you can see, my stuffing is inside the bread now. Let's add some butter. Let's butter this up. And my skillet is ready over there. So I'm going to toast these buns on a skillet on a medium-high flame. Alright, on a skillet, let's add some butter and toast it nicely. Beautiful. Let's get another one. Let's toast it. Get toasted here, and maybe flip it on all the sides just to get that extra buttery flavor. Look at this, how beautiful this looks already. On the side. On the other side. Flip it over. Wow, beautiful. Nice Chatpata flavorful dabeli is almost ready. Alright, so last step is, now you can see this is all buttery. Dip it in the save. Ooh, look at that. The sides we are dipping it in the thin save, just to see that extra crunch when we have each bite. And look at this. Let me get the other one ready. Just wherever you see the masala, the side, And this side. It's hot. Voila, look at this. Pretty and tasty. And look at this beautiful, gorgeous, flavorful dabeli is ready. This is a very famous dish in India. I hope you enjoyed this dabeli recipe, and stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit subscribe button, and there is a notification bell, so please turn that on. I'll see you next time. Enjoy. Bye.